Now, you're probably here for one of two reasons. Maybe you've never had a website, you're a brand new business, haven't got around to building it yet, or living in a smaller town, you just never thought you needed to be on the internet. But now you're realizing that maybe you better get on board this because it's not going anywhere. Or two, you're in the second category. Your wife's friend's nephew built your website in 2008 and he doesn't do websites anymore. Very hard to get in touch with, and even harder for him to get him to change any information on that static thing, so it's just been sitting there. Either way, whichever category you're in, you're looking to do something different, but you're not quite sure where to start. So I'm going to help you maybe sort that out a little bit. First of all, the first question you need to ask yourself is, do I really need to pay a web designer to build a website when I see commercials all the time about build a free website? Well, yeah, you do, because nothing's really free, is it? A lot of those free hosting services will put their own ads on your website, and you have no control over who's advertising on there. And it takes away from your professionalism as a business. But let me ask you this. I've got a proposal for you. I'm going to give you a free 2014 Cadillac. That's right, absolutely free. Now, there is one caveat. There's some assembly required, right? Now, who knows how to build a car? I don't. I mean, as much as I would like to have a brand new Cadillac, if someone gave it to me in pieces and said it's yours, all you've got to do is build it. Well, first of all, I don't know how to do it. I don't really want to learn how to do it. And how much time would it take me to put that thing together? Time that could be used on other things like, oh, I don't know, running my business. No, I want someone who knows how to build a Cadillac, who knows how to program that computer, who knows how to get it roadworthy. And then with a little instruction, I will be able to use the friendly user interfaces that are in that car and get the most out of it and really enjoy my investment. So that's one question. That's the first question. Hopefully you've answered it the right way. Yeah, I don't have time to be building my own website. I don't know all the ins and outs. And besides, with those free packages, you're kind of limited on what you can do. So the second question then is, well, who do I choose to build my website? Well, I'm going to toot my own horn now and say just a little bit about myself. I've been in marketing or advertising for over 20 years. I've done cable TV ads, I've done radio advertising, I've done print media, I've done promotions and marketing schemes and all kinds of stuff. That's my background. 10 years ago, though, I built my first website. I saw the direction that marketing was going. I saw the internet as something powerful and permanent, and I thought I better add that to my portfolio. So I did. 3 years later, 7 years ago, I trimmed my business down to what I love and what I do best, and that's solely building websites. I love the technology. I embrace the technology. I eat this stuff up, and I thought, if this is what I'm going to do, then I'm going to be the best at it. But my clients soon started demanding more. They wanted more control, more flexibility, more functionality in their website. 6 years ago, I stumbled upon Joomla. Now, Joomla is a widely recognized, very respected content management system architecture. And it's been downloaded over 35 million times since it came out 7 years ago. And I've been working with it for the last 6 years, and I know this stuff pretty doggone well. I know it frontwards and backwards. And I can get a site up very quickly and for much less money than building it from scratch. Why build it from scratch when this stuff has already been made? It's been made to do the things that we want. It's been made to be expandable and grow with your business. And so that's the basis of the websites that I build. And that's the first thing you get from me is a custom-made Joomla content management system website. And what content management system means is that it's very easy to manage the content. We can go into that website very easily and change photos, add articles, change services that are offered. You can blog, have all kinds of extras on there like photo and video galleries, online response forms, e-commerce packages. With over 10,000 extensions that can be added to your website at any time, your website can grow with your business and with the demands of your visitors and what you're trying to accomplish online. So that's the first thing you get. The second thing is all of my websites are built with responsive templates. Now, what is a responsive template? Responsive design, a responsive template simply means that your website will be viewed perfectly on whatever device or platform it's being viewed on. Whether it's on a desktop, a laptop, iPad, tablets, iPhones, Androids, whatever, your website is going to display exactly as it should for that device, giving the visitor a very nice experience. And it's Google's recommended best practice for your website to help improve search rankings. So, customized Joomla content management system website with a responsive template that shows up on any device. That's what you get as far as the hardware and the nuts and bolts. But I think the third thing that I offer is what my clients really appreciate, and that is ongoing support and information in helping you market and get the most out of your website. If you have a question or a problem with your site and you call in, you're always going to get me. You're never going to get operator 122 one time and then operator 367 the next time and have to re-explain problems and issues to someone who's never seen your site. When you have a problem, you call me, the man you consulted with about how to best build your site, the man who actually built your site, and the man who knows your website inside and out. You talk to me every single time, and your problems are resolved quickly and with no downtime. But also, when you have questions about things that you may have seen on a Facebook feed, what is this Pinterest, and what is LinkedIn, and how should I use it, or should I even be worried about it? Calling with these questions is part of the service that I provide. And I'm not a guru. I don't have all the answers, but I'll tell you what, I can point you in the right direction. I can find the answers for you, and together we're going to do whatever we can to get traffic to your website and translate those visitors into purchases and sales and making you money, because that's what it's all about. What you get with me is a partner in your online marketing efforts. And you get this wonderful support from a guy who really does care, because I'm a small business owner in a small town. I know the struggles, I know the challenges, and I also have learned how to take this World Wide Web and use it for local small town marketing. Your website needs to be responsive, it needs to be current and up to date, and you need somebody that you can just ask those simple questions to and not feel like an idiot. So there you have it, a big decision for you to make. But I invite you to go through the rest of the website, go to the portfolio, look at some of the work that I've done, and then reach out and contact me. Ask me any questions that you have, whether by email or by phone or text message, whatever. And maybe I can be a right fit for your small business and your internet marketing efforts. Thanks a lot for visiting. I hope to hear from you soon, and good luck.